Right guys, I have an update regarding the redesign for the iPad mini 6, and that's a fact, there will not be a redesign. Yeah, that's literally the story. Um, right, let's delve into it. So yeah, Macotakara believes there will not be a redesign for the iPad mini 6 after weeks and weeks of rumors about the redesign, and they believe the redesign has been pushed back till 2022 or later. But before some of you guys start panicking, let's delve into the report and discuss why this might be true and why this might not be true. So let's delve in, but first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And with that being said, let's just tuck in. Right, so why don't we get the bad stuff out of the way and discuss why this actually could be true? And well, it comes down to component shortages. So Apple recently announced their Q3 earnings, and to no one's surprise, they made a bucket load of money, but that's not the point. The point is, during the earnings call, Timothy did say there will be component shortages with the iPhone and the iPad, so maybe that is a factor that could push back the redesign for the iPad mini that we've all been waiting for. Because a redesign means different components, different production tools, and rearranging their production lines, and that might be pretty difficult right now during the component shortage, and so maybe Apple wants to go for the easier route and give us no redesign and just recycle the design that's already in production with the iPad mini 5. Now yes, I know you might be saying that Apple has other redesigns planned very soon, for example the MacBook Pros, but you do have to remember that Apple's going to sell way more MacBooks than the iPad mini, and so I can see why they're going through the hassle of getting the redesign out, because all the struggle they're facing right now will pay off through bucket loads of revenue. But of course, the iPad mini is a very low volume product, it's the least popular iPad, and so why should Apple go through the effort of trying to produce this redesign if it's not going to sell in large quantities? Also, another reason to consider is the fact there have been leaks in the past that corroborate with this report, namely Sonny Dixon and his dummy units for the iPad Pro and the iPad mini, and well, the 2021 iPad Pro dummy units were identical to the final product, though to be fair it wasn't that hard to guess, but anyways, he got it right, and so maybe there is a chance that his iPad mini dummy unit, which was identical to the iPad mini 5, is also true. Also, I do want to mention the iPad mini 6 is yet to be spotted in any database, and this is a little worrying because usually when Apple has a new design, they file it in the Eurasian database a few weeks before release. Now we've seen the MacBook Pros, the Apple Watch Series 7, the iPhone 13, but no iPad mini 6, and so maybe this could be hinting at A delayed release for the iPad mini, or B, the lack of a redesign. But that's the end of the bad stuff. Let's now delve into why I disagree with this report and the reasons why this report is just completely wrong. And that begins with the accuracy of Macotakara, because they are 64% accurate, and that's not really good. That's pretty mixed, and so they very much do have a hit or miss accuracy, and so this could be a miss. Also, regarding sources, we have a lot more credible sources saying the redesign is happening. For example, John Prosser, Mark Gurman, Ross Young. These guys are very accurate. In fact, Ross Young is 100% accurate, and so when he says that the iPad mini is going to be removing the home button and is going to get an 8.3-inch display, I'm inclined to believe that Young is right and Macotakara is wrong. The iPad mini has also historically been based on the iPad Air, so it just makes sense that Apple bases the iPad mini 6 on the current generation iPad Air with the new iPad Pro design language. Also guys, let's be honest, we need a redesign with the iPad mini because it's about to be 10 years with the same bloody design, and Apple can't be getting away with that. So yes, I think we should get a redesign, and considering the iPad mini is not a product Apple updates on a yearly basis, I don't think they can release an iPad mini 6 with the same design and then keep it around for another 3 to 4 years, because by the end of its life, I bet you the budget iPads will also have the iPad Pro design. And so yes, the iPad mini 6 without a redesign is gonna look pretty odd in the lineup. And so yes, this would literally be the perfect time for a redesign, so please, Timothy, don't let us down. Give us the redesign we've all been waiting for. I guess there is one thing Macotakara and I agree on, and that is we should see the A14 in the iPad mini 6. I agree with that. I think the A14 in the iPad mini 6 makes a ton of sense, especially since the iPad mini tends to get the last generation A series processor. So yeah, that's pretty much it, but let me know in the comments below, do you agree or disagree with this report? Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. Check out the video in the icon above on details regarding the iPad Pro M2. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya, peeps!